Okay, this aircraft has got a quick release connector, which is this one here. We just want to make sure the battery's integrity is okay. We don't want any electrolytes, any overheating or bulges. Make sure the battery is actually solid within its housing, like so. Let's have a quick look. Okay, now this goes on, like so, on, and would be wire locked if flight. There we go. Then if we come back to the cockpit, okay, battery master switch is this one. Okay, power going on, 597. Everything's all good. Clear the captions, and everything works as it should. Until next time.